I've never used a rice cooker before.
Yes, the rice cooker.
Yeah.
Take my hands, my feet, and look me in my eyes. Just like I'm lucky, I've been dancing my whole life. I use respect to see me dancing one more time. Ooh, I sing to every side.
So we are marinating our meat. So the dining table is here.
Fashion no mama riba ziko top notch. Na maprank moto moto, familia na baraka, ishi venye yataka. And I'm native, sake the GAMARS. GAMARS, the GAMARS family. Yeah, the GAMARS family. Nasema GAMARS, the GAMARS family. The GAMARS family. Yeah, kicheko kila kona, wezi nuna, wezi bonda. Wa utapenda kile unaona. The GAMARS family, kawaida wa hutesa. Finya kengele, hii content imeweza. GAMARS, the GAMARS family. Yeah, the GAMARS family. Nasema GAMARS, the GAMARS family. The GAMARS family. Hey, you great. Kill this.
Hey. Charzy in the building, and I'm in the kitchen. Oh. Yeah. Ready to chef. Ready to cook. Si ndio? Yeah. Iluku msijali. Kuku na baridi. And always ukiwa kwa kitchen na make sure you cover your hair. Si ndio? Yeah.
Wagwan family, wagwan. I am Gamar and I'm in the kitchen today with Mommy and yeah. And so today, what we are going to do is, what are we going to do today?
So today we're gonna cook. We're gonna cook with you. And sijui bebe. Sasa ni saa ngapi? 5.
Yeah,
sijui kama mtaona 5:12.
Yeah.
We are cooking dinner. And we've been hired. We've been what?
We are hired chefs.
Yo.
Today we are hired chefs.
So today we are hired in this kitchen to prepare our best meal.
Yeah.
Sindio?
Yeah.
We are cooking what? We are cooking rice, beans, and a meat.
Yeah, some beef steak.
Baby, let's here. Mommy, come say hi. Come say hi. Come say hi. So we've been hired to cook.
Yeah.
Masi has hired us to cook since bwanake kwa job.
Yeah.
Na vile tumenotice kwa hii nyumba, lazima you cook early.
Yeah.
Na nituambia aje babe. Tuweke chakula wapi?
Kwa hot pot.
Where's the hot pot?
Yeah, it is.
Yo!
You're trusting.
Ukipika mapema, weka hapa. Chakula ikuwe moto. Akikuja, akule. So that's what we are doing.
Yeah.
And there's a trick in this cooking vlog. Because we are cooking rice.
Yeah.
Using
So what my lady trying to say is, we are using today modern equipments to cook.
yo, yeah.
Yeah? So first of all, for us,
Keki. Sawa.
so for us, we've never used a rice cooker before.
Here's the rice cooker.
Yeah. We've never used a rice cooker before, but we are willing to try. Since we are hired, we must do things to the speciality of the one who has hired us.
So we have to Google how to use a rice cooker.
God have mercy upon us.
And I think my leader does.
Yeah, already nilikuwa nimeshaangalia.
No.
Rinse the rice. Add rice and water. Add seasoning. That is if you add, then cook. Yeah. So we start by rinsing our rice.
Yeah.
Ama aje?
Yes, sir, skin. Start by rinsing our rice.
This is our rice. We are about to wash it. Our rice. Inanukia hapo alafu ni tamu. Hii sijui bedeni ni ya wapi. Our meat. This is our meat. Imetoka kwa freezer but at least imecool. Last time tulichemsha tukaambiwa we are not supposed to kuchemsha using the jiko. Unaweka tu kwa nini? Kwa microwave ama?
Yeah, kwa microwave na defrost.
Yeah. And we have every ingredient. I said it right?
Yeah, that you're going to use.
Yeah. Tomatoes, carrot, kitunguu, hoho, dania, tangawizi. And we have our beans. Pia zimetoka kwa freezer but zimecool. They look so good. Sindio?
Yeah.
So we get to washing our rice. Mommy, wacha no. You'll see a layer everywhere. Mommy, wacha guys. Nini unafanya huko kunga? We wash our rice. Hizi lakini kwetu si watu washi mchele, si ndio? Nimeosha tu kwa sababu I don't know about kuku and I was like let me do it the official way. Our rice is clean. Our rice is clean. Uone nini? So, bebe nilishtuka kuona hii ndio sufuria ya kupika na hii.
Okay.
Yeah. So we rinse. And unataka kuona?
Muonyeshe.
Sawa ndio hii. Sawa. Ujeni muone sasa ushamba mahali iko buda. Inafanyweje?
Hivyo.
Aje?
Like this. Hebu.
Hey. Yeah, kuja uonyeshe penye hapo ndani inakaa.
So that's how the rice cooker looks like.
Yeah.
Kwa wale hamjui
Kama sisi. You put the sufuria inside. Then
Na by the way, as you can see imeandikwa 1 cup maji unafaa kuweka.
Yeah. Tumia maji gani?
Maji ile. Ama ni gani unatumia?
Mami?
Ama utumie si ya kupika, mtu anaweza pika hadi na hii.
So So our water is there. Nimeweka maji as you can see. So we go put it in the socket. We'll have to add a salt, just a small portion of salt. Say hi. A small, kwa sababu hii mchele ni different terms, ndio wewe? Hata bila chumvi. Like that. So, hapa sijui babe tunaendaje.
Umefunika?
Nimefunika.
Iko hapa chini. Chini kabisa. Angalia.
Let's do this. Mommy, what are you doing? Okay, let's do this. Hapa babe. Like that. Then I'll just. How will we know?
Again, you connect.
Then.
So that's how you know.
Keep. So now you cook. How do I do that?
Cook.
Yay!
Okay. This is the level.
Yeah. So now we chop. Dadele will chop the nyama while I prepare this. We see when we are done. Sindio? Yeah. SUPRISE. Yeah, so this one is for beans and this one is for meat. I'm either of them. You put some oil and onion.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love.
Don't tell me why wakati tunapika Ella is here. She was crying ati anataka ni mbebe. Just imagine. Anyway, we have to do it. So acha ni mbebe while I cook. Sindio? Make sure you like, you share, you comment, you subscribe. Sindio? Sindio mami? Sawa, we baki hapo. Yeah, so we are marinating our meat with all of this. Najua mnazijua. And all of them there.
Uko shaka zote? Hata hivi. Kali. Isi ya nini?
Hii ya.
Okay, hapa.
Kama unacheza? We are marinating our meat and baby Ella may fall asleep. So I want to go. Nimweke kwa kitanda.
but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Tumeiweka kwa fridge ikae kiasi. Onion yetu ya kupika mbosho iko almost kuiva. Yeah. Karoti tutaweka kwa nyama pia.
Kidogo tu. Unataka zikie tu.
Wow. So the onions, tomatoes and carrots are almost ndio baby. Yeah. After that we prepare our meat. Baby, usijifanye ni unapika. Umekuja tu hapo kusaidia. But you are both cooking. Si ndio? So in the meantime I wanna wash vyombo so that kitchen itakaa poa. Si ndio? Yeah. Let's cook and clean and wash.
Weka maharagwe shana aje.
Weka maharagwe yote. This is our maharagwe.
So far the rice is ready. I hope that we've done it good.
Yeah.
But we've done our best.
First time using rice cooker.
So ndio hiyo. So we want to serve for Chinese cousin here.
They know.
Tujue kama imeiva but we just
Imeiva babe.
Imeiva yeah. Yenye imeiva babe.
Imeiva vizuri.
Vizuri kabisa.
Yeah. But they know doesn't eat a lot but we'll just serve.
Yeah.
Atabakisha yenye atabakisha.
Yeah. I think that's enough.
Yeah, that's enough. Now I know how to do that.
Yes, so
Progress inaendelea vizuri. As you can see, I'm almost done over here and over here. Almost. Dadele napenda kupika na kalight kadogo. Our stew is ready. Mbosho zetu ziko ready. They look so good, they smell so good. Yeah, so right over here, our meat pia is ready. As you can see, we are about to add tomato and hoho. For me, it will just add everything at once. Oh, we are on time. Kwa sababu my cousin gets here saa moja na saa hii 20. So tuko on the right track.
On the right track.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So we see you if you are ready, kila kitu if you are ready.
Yeah. Wow.
Aki hizi silicone zinabamba, you just do like this and it's like wiping out. Wiping. Yeah. Vyombo nazo ndo hizo. Vyombo chafu ndo hizi. Na baadaye pia mlisikia wasi watu wa spices sana. Ndio? The chef of the day.
Oh.
Me and you.
So?
See you when it's ready, when everything is ready.
Okay.
Yo, so our meat is ready. And this is our beans. And right over here we have our rice yenye bado hatujatoa, still there. Ya deno iko, let me zoom. Ya deno iko kwa hot pot there and water. So we are just waiting for him afike, then we do the honors. We feel so good. So tunangojea tu bell, tusikie tu hivi bell. Dining table inakaa poa. Yeah. Tumongoje. Hapa kuna snacks mingi za ele, hapa kuna keki, kuna biscuit, kuna keki nyingine, kuna maziwa na some bhajias that I cooked, and we still have numbers. Hey! So, he's almost, and we are waiting for him at the gate. Mami, umeamka? Say hi. Kwambia unaitwa nani? Ashley. Okay, and your hair looks bad. Is here. Amefika hajafika?
Amefika.
Yeah. And Dadale is the gate man since gate man ako off. Beep. Dino tatona na hii kamera ashindu.
Hapo kuna gari inakuja. Hebu enda huko. Usikanye kuna gari.
Kuja mami, kuja tusikanye na gari. Gari. Kuja mami.
Ako mafuta?
Hiyo wako sijaezana nayo.
Ako. Leta.
So, we are done eating, like tumemaliza kukula and then tumebakisha hapa chakula. Amela nyama zote akabakisha. So, you just do them like that. Tunazifunika. Then vyombo obviously ni hizi. So, I want to show you something because hizi ndio vitambaa za kitchen na nimenotice kuna venye ziko na harufu si kazuri, hakapendezi natola. We wash them. Nimeboil my water over here. Nataka kuzisoka. Oh Jesus, you had to. Yes, this is hot water and I'll add this as well. ndo at least viache kukua sliding. Na pia babe, kwani mimi nateremka?
Umenini vile ndani?
Siko ndani. Teremki. Then I'll add vinegar.
What's the vinegar for? Kutoa uchafu.
Saidia tu na hiyo uchafu. Just a small portion. Then nimezikata hapa. Vinegar ikiingia kunasikia utamu. Add your kitambaa. There. We give them time. Then we'll come check on them. Ndio at least zikuwe zimeng'arang'ara. Hiyo ako ni katips nimewapatia. Afreti. Ndio kishiba na paka kuna tea. And because cooking hapo ya kula you just get it.
Si sawa.
Okay. I'll have a nip. Na kuteremshia. If mfereji bedeni ya maskingo zitaonyesha, you just do it like this. You wash your apples. You can just do it like this. And the water is hot, but not really hot. Like it's
warm water.
Warm water. See you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe.
Fashion noma mariba ziko top notch. Na maprank moto familia na baraka ishi venye yataka. And I'm letting you suck the GAMARS. GAMARS, the GAMARS family. Yeah, the GAMARS family. Nasema GAMARS, the GAMARS family. The GAMARS family. Yeah, kicheko kila kona, wezi nuna, wezi bonda. Wa utapenda kile unaona. The GAMARS family, kawaida wa hutesa. Finya kengele, hii content imeweza.